Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off energy saving to improve your performance on ACER Predator 17. This simple thing will improve your performance, but also may drain your battery a bit more, so it's better to use it when you're plugged into power, although feel free to choose whatever you like, honestly. Just click on the battery here on the taskbar, and now you can adjust the performance mode to best performance, and that, as I said, may drain more of your battery, but will make your laptop have better performance. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.